Guys, welcome back to another video. Today is our 2nd year anniversary, alhamdulillah. What is that face for?
I love you.
Alright, but yeah, it's our 2nd anniversary, and guys, we've got something exciting for you. We are going to West Midlands Safari Park, and we're going to be staying in one of their new lodges.
It's going to be lit.
I'm super excited.
I can't wait. I get to see lions, elephants.
But guys, we don't want to waste the footage on the camera, so we're just going to keep the intro really short and sweet. But yeah, come along with us.
And peace.
Peace.
Guys, I want to tell you, my wife has bought me some presents. And she's upstairs. And I'm dying to open it. Oh, wallah. Let's do it, let's do it. Should we go for a small one? Or should we go for a big one? What should I go for? Guys, I don't know which one to go for. I really want to open this big one, but it's too big. I want to actually be surprised what she got me in here. Help! Babe! Habibti! But no, listen. Yeah? I'm thinking to open your presents. No. Why? Guys, she won't let me. Just one. Okay, how about if I just rip a little corner? Why are you gonna rip my head? Just a corner? Ya Allah, give me sabr. So why they're here? I think I got the deals for her, by the way. That's not for me. Forget it. We just gotta wait till she comes back down. Babe, come on. She's here. Guys, she's finally here. Look at this beauty. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Come on, you first. Look at that, guys. Literally, I've been dying to open, so please allow me.
Bye-bye. Yeah, guys, we're going to open our gifts in private, boys.
Hey, you don't want to show them? I want to show them.
No, we'll show you guys after.
Okay, we'll show you clips. Look.
Alright, bye.
Come on.
Guys, firstly, babe, you're going to love this.
I know you've been saying this since I've been opening the other one.
Literally, he's going to love this. But go on. Bismillah.
What is it?
Go on.
Babe, just tell me.
Babe, go.
Bismillah. Bismillah.
Look.
Bismillah. Oh my God. Say wallah.
Wallah. Guys, he has been wanting.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
He has been wanting this PlayStation 5 for the longest.
Is it real?
Of course it's
She
real.
pranks me sometimes.
Okay. Guys, we're gonna let him have his moment.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't, 'cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my...
Hi guys, I'm just checking in quickly. We've made it to the safari park. I'm super excited. You guys would have seen us coming into the entrance now. Hubby's just gone to go and get everything that we need for the lodge, and then yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. Literally, I'm super excited for this experience. Here hubby is now.
We're about to enter. Bismillah. Did you hear that?
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't, 'cause I got better things to do.
Guys,
Spend my...
there is an elephant outside of my room. There's an elephant. Oh my God, I could cry. I absolutely love elephants. Look at that. MashaAllah. My husband's downstairs shouting at all of his family members on FaceTime because he's trying to show them the elephants. And there's another one around there.
I could be running around chasing you, but I won't, 'cause I got better better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, live. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right.
So this is what they call the viewpoint. I think it's mainly for the elephants.
To me tonight. No, you didn't know me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your matrix and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. In the beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for
Just heading now to the giraffe. I hope I get to see him. I can smell him.
that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door.
Hi guys, I'm super sorry that I haven't been on the vlog. Literally, as soon as we got into the room, I have some content I had to shoot. So I've literally just been taking content pictures. Honestly, like, I just couldn't help myself. So I was like, I'm just going to take loads of content pictures. This lamp is absolutely huge. But yeah, I've just been taking content pictures, and obviously hubby's been showing you guys around and stuff. Right about now, hubby's just gonna pray, and then we just need to do some content for TikTok, and then literally they've given us some food. I'm gonna show you guys the food now. Guys, the food is in this little basket thing here.
Yes, open it up because I'm hungry.
Do you want to show the food?
Yeah. Bismillah. Oh, it smells stunning.
Guys, and what's so good about it is that you can click halal on the options. So we've got pizza. I think that's just a cheese pizza I got. 2 fries, I think. What's this one?
Ooh.
Oh, hubby's grilled chicken burger.
Yeah, don't get any closer, move.
And then we've got sauce there. And then that is fries,
Chips.
isn't it, babe?
Yep.
Yeah,
Ooh,
chips.
mashallah.
And then I chose pizza.
Mashallah.
And just some pizza
Really?
sauce.
Couldn't they fit it in?
Literally, I don't think they could.
I don't think they buy it from the shop. I think they make it and then cut it into the box.
But yeah, that's it, guys. And then our dessert is in the fridge there. So we'll show you guys that after. Guys, look at all of my stuff over there. That's just PR. It's an absolute mess.
Mess.
But yeah, hubby's gonna pray, then we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna film a TikTok, and then we'll check back in with you guys.
Around your matrix and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game.
Okay guys, as you just saw, we're eating. Guys, I'm super, not full, but I am sort of full. But guys, there's no drinks here, so if you are coming to stay here, any things that you want extra, like water, if you want anything like fizzy sort of, they don't provide it. You actually have to leave the park.
That's one thing stupid. Not even 2 bottles in the fridge.
Yeah guys, there's no waters in the fridge or like any drinks or anything, so you have to leave the park to go get it. But they said, so I got some leftover pizza. They said that there is a Tesco not too far off, so we're just gonna head to the Tesco now and go get some water and some snacks. We were meant to do that anyway before we came, but we completely forgot. But yeah guys, as you can see, it's super beautiful though, even though obviously there's no drinks and stuff, but it's super beautiful. As you can see, the elephants are out even at night, which is super cute. So yeah, we're gonna head there now, to Tesco now, just go get some stuff, and we'll check in with you guys when we get there. Peace. Guys, The Tesco was a Tesco Express, so we didn't bother go. And right now we're at Sainsbury's, so we're gonna head in there for some snacks and just some drinks and stuff.
Water.
No snacks.
Come on,
Snacks.
let's go, baby girl. Oh my god, I flattened them. I flattened the Maltesers. And me browning.
Just pick some Pringles. Are you sure on them?
Ah.
Guys, I just wanted to show you the rhubarb and custards. Whose favourite sweet is this? I absolutely love rhubarbs and custard. I would get these, but there's hardly anything in the packet. Like, the packet stops there. Like, literally here. But yeah, these are my favourite sweets. Rhubarb, well, favourite old school sweet is rhubarb and custard. Wait, why are you taking so long to choose chewing gums?
Because, you see, when you find out that the flavours in each one goes on...
He doesn't know what he's talking about. He's just taking forever. You're not spending £2.50 on chewing gums. Come on, can we go? Guys, I'm shivering my timbers. Who likes my shoes? Do you like my little... My sister calls them grandpa's shoes.
Yeah, grandpa's shoes.
Birkenstocks are not grandpa's shoes.
Hey, them shoes are grandfather.
Whatever.
It's not grandma in. But they look cute.
Guys, I think they're really fitting for the occasion of safari. Look at him, just like a cowboy. Okay guys, I'm here and I need some makeup wipes. Literally, I've been looking around the whole shop. I don't know if I should get these ones or these ones, but I think I'll just go for these ones. A little bit easier. Yeah, simple wipes are the best wipes. Okay guys, we're back now. We came back from Sainsbury's. We've got all our snacks and stuff. We're literally now just gonna relax. We're not gonna obviously vlog.
Watch a movie.
Just because we want to relax and enjoy the lodge, because we're only here for one night, and then tomorrow we're gonna go see all the animals and stuff like that. So we'll obviously tap back in with you guys there. But now we just want a romantic chill. And guys, the shower looks amazing, so I'm gonna go use that right now.
Oh, be quick.
Say bye, babies.
Bye bye.
Then it's safe to say you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe, but you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. And you didn't want me. All you
My baby has literally got us breakfast ready.
Nice little bit of toast.
Okay, now. And guys, the best thing about this, even though, look at that for a view. Literally stunning.
Babe, shush.
You alright? Salam alaikum. Yeah, quick. Nah? No?
Is it?
around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe, but you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play,
fuck.
Go on, Dave. You got it.
Here, don't come next to my window. That way. I'm not moving my hand. Here. Here, fuck. Now shift. Next one. Oh yeah, you've had yours. You
Defeat him. How do I beat him?
Here, come this side because you scared me. That idiot's not moving for everyone. You know the silver car, look.
Yeah. Pour out loads. You want to eat? Okay, that's it. Safe one, because you got the
one, then it's safe to say you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe, but you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. And you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe, but you didn't win this. It's a part of the game.
so fun to see all the animals. Now we're gonna head into the theme park and hopefully go to a gift shop, because if you'd seen our Bath vlog, whenever we go somewhere new we always get a fridge magnet. So we're gonna go to the gift shop to go get that now. But yeah guys, I absolutely have enjoyed it so far, but yeah, come along with us on some rides. Peace.
And your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe, but you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe, but you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. And you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe, but you didn't win this. It's a part of the game.
Oh my god, do you see how much water? Guys, hubby is about to go on this ride called Venom, and well, I'm not going on. I refuse. Babe, look!
Gotta be done, guys.
He changed his mind.
I haven't changed my mind, guys. It's the fact that it's, as you can see, can you show them please?
No, I can't show anybody's kids.
It's in use. Yeah, you can show them from here then.
Guys, he doesn't. He's scared to go up this.
No, I'm not. Big boy here.
Go on then.
Come back down.
All right, then let's see if he goes on. guys, we just finished doing some water rides and we're finished now. We're heading home. This is the end of this vlog. We'll be doing a second one because in 2 days it's my birthday. So we're on to the next location now. So we're just gonna end this one here just to give you guys something to watch in the meantime before the next vlog comes. But take care guys, and we'll catch you later.
Tell them, subscribe, like, comment, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and the next one's coming soon.
Bye.
Peace.